Did you just plug in your charger to your golf cart and nothing happened? We're solving the most common issue that causes charging problems right now on GCGTV. Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a crash course in charging a golf cart with dead batteries. You may have noticed that your golf cart doesn't have an on-off switch. This is because golf cart chargers take commands to turn on and off by receiving voltage back from the golf cart when plugged in. So if your batteries have been run down all the way or left without charging for a long while, your charger may not activate when plugged in. This can be a common issue if your charger doesn't have storage mode or trickle charging, if the kids or grandkids, or sometimes adult kids, forget to plug it in when they're done, if the batteries are left uncharged during an off-season, or if your cart sneaks out at night with your Great Dane to solve mysteries. No matter how the batteries ran low, if your cart does not have enough power to drive forward, it probably doesn't have enough voltage to activate a charger either. We'll show you a charger that can avoid this problem in the future, but for now, let's discuss getting your cart back up and running. The best way to get some voltage into your batteries so that you can get your usual charger to start doing the whole job is to use a jump box like I've got here in the garage today, or a handheld or automotive battery charger, any type that will connect directly to the batteries with clamps and charge them for a short while, 1 or 2 batteries at a time. This type of charger can be found in big box stores or hardware stores and can be a great tool to have in the garage for lots of different reasons. Before beginning this process, here's a quick safety tip from the pros. Connect your jump charger to the battery before activating it or plugging it into the wall. If the charger is active or plugged in before connecting it to the batteries, it may cause sparks to occur. Charging of batteries can give off flammable gas, so we want to avoid causing arcing or sparks during this process. Ideally, your charger will match your battery's individual voltage and you can charge them one at a time, just like so. There is no need to disconnect battery cables, you'll simply be sending low amp voltage into one battery at a time. Some owners may have to do some math here. For instance, if you're using a 12-volt charger but you have 6-volt batteries, then you'd want to charge 2 of them at a time by connecting the jump charger to one positive and then the next battery's negative. Because golf carts can have 6, 8, or 12-volt batteries, pay special attention to match that voltage on your charger if possible by setting it to the correct voltage or by connecting it to the right number of batteries at a time to equal its voltage. However, if the numbers don't match up exactly, maybe because you've got a 12-volt charger and 8-volt batteries, and your jump box doesn't have a 8-volt setting, you can charge 2 of them using this method because you'll be doing it for a short period of time on each battery pair. We're not trying to charge the batteries all the way up to full here, we're just trying to get enough voltage in them to get your normal golf cart charger to do its job. Remember to turn the charger off or disconnect it from power each time you move the charger to the next battery. We recommend starting by charging each battery for 5 to 10 minutes at a time and then moving on to the next one. Once this process is complete and you've removed your jump charger, plug in your golf cart charger to the cart receptacle and see if it begins charging for you. While this doesn't always solve charging issues, low battery power is the most common reason that chargers fail to operate, especially during times of the year when we take our carts out of storage, or if we forgot to plug them in, or if aliens have been using the cart while you're away to make crop circles on the back for you. So how can we avoid this issue in the future? Here at Golf Cart Garage, we recommend the Summit 2 charger from Lester Electrical. It is the best charger we've ever tested with a 4-year warranty, better, faster charging, and an advanced storage charging mode to keep your cart charged up all the time, which is also the best way to get extra years of service out of your valuable batteries. We can tell you all about it at golfcartgarage.com, but that's another episode for another day. Hopefully this video helped you get ready for charging your cart again. No matter what kind of charging issue you may be having, Golf Cart Garage is here to help. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934. Our customer care specialists would love to answer all your questions, provide service, and place orders right over the phone. Remember to subscribe below for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.